Welcome to Compare to Win. The best 2008 GMC Yukon headlights are probably one of the most critical components for your vehicle's safety and aesthetics, directly impacting your ability to see the road at night and in adverse weather conditions, while also significantly contributing to the overall look and resale value of your beloved SUV. Choosing the right set ensures not only superior illumination for confident driving but also a seamless integration with your Yukon's design, making a noticeable difference in both performance and appearance. Number 5. Autosaver 88 LED DRL headlights for GMC Sierra. Introducing the Autosaver 88 LED DRL headlights, designed to dramatically improve your GMC Sierra's appearance. These headlights offer superior illumination for enhanced driving safety and visibility. Don't worry about the weather. These headlights are fully sealed and designed with one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup, ensuring no corrosion or fogging in any conditions. Experience brighter lighting with metallic parabolic reflectors that create a broader, smoother beam. An anti-glare hood focuses the light for uniform illumination, making your drive safer. Be seen clearly at night. The integrated microprism reflectors ensure oncoming traffic notices you quickly, significantly boosting your driving safety and that of others. Built to last, these headlights feature a polycarbonate lens and a tough housing. They are highly resistant to shock and vibration, ready for any road condition. For optimal performance and fit, professional installation is highly recommended. Ensure your new headlights are installed correctly for maximum safety and efficiency. What we like. This option offers enhanced visibility with its LED daytime running lights. It features a waterproof design to prevent moisture buildup and provides a brighter, smoother beam. If you're looking for improved safety and a stylish upgrade, especially for driving in various weather conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2008 GMC Yukon. Easy to install and they look great on the vehicle. The light output is significantly brighter than the old ones. Number 4. oEdRo Headlight Assembly for GMC Sierra. Introducing the oEdRo Headlight Assembly, designed specifically for your GMC Sierra 1500, 2500 HD, and 3500 HD, enhance your vehicle's appearance and visibility with this direct replacement. These headlights are engineered for a seamless fit on your 2007 to 2013 Sierra 1500 and 2007 to 2014 Sierra 2500 3500 HD models. Ensure you have the standard models for a perfect match. Experience improved night vision with our advanced design. The microprism reflectors reduce glare while making it easier to spot other vehicles and pedestrians on the road. Crafted with a clear polycarbonate lens and a robust PC housing, these assemblies offer superior resistance to heat, vibration, and dust, ensuring longevity. Our fully sealed design with solid silicon and a one-way vent prevents moisture buildup and corrosion. Drive confidently in any weather condition, knowing they are built to withstand the elements. Installation is straightforward, requiring no modifications like cutting or drilling. While designed to look and function like your original lights, professional installation is recommended for best results. What we like. This product minimizes distracting glare for safer night driving and uses durable polycarbonate materials. It's designed for easy installation, fitting like stock headlights. If you prioritize a straightforward, safe, and durable replacement that won't require modifications, this is the one for you. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2008 GMC Yukon. The beam pattern is clear and bright, providing excellent visibility at night. Installation was straightforward, and the headlights look just like the original ones. Number 3. ACANII headlights for GMC Yukon XL 1500-2500 SUV. Upgrade your GMC Yukon with these stylish Denali-style headlights. They are designed to fit your 2007 to 2014 XL 1500 and 2500 models perfectly. This set includes both the driver and passenger side assemblies. Only the lens and housing are provided, ensuring a clear view. Drive with confidence knowing these meet all USA and Canada regulations. They are stamped with DOT and SAE for guaranteed compliance. Ensure full illumination and maximum safety on the road. These replacements are designed to provide optimal light output. While installation instructions are not included, signature is required upon delivery. We also offer a 30-day return policy for your peace of mind. What we like. This set meets all USA and Canada regulations, ensuring maximum safety and full illumination. It's a direct replacement for your stock assembly. If you need a reliable, compliant, and straightforward headlight replacement that guarantees proper function and safety, this is the ideal option. What people say. The assemblies came packaged very nicely, top quality materials used on assembly. The distance I can see is much further and so much safer. I replaced some very dull yellow headlights, now they are clear and beautiful. Just like OEM, fantastic product. Easy to install and look good. My wife loves the way they shine. Number 2. Autozensation GMC Yukon Headlights. Introducing the Autozensation Headlight Assembly for your 2007 to 2014 GMC Yukon. This pair is designed to perfectly fit your vehicle, enhancing both style and visibility. Crafted from high-quality, durable polycarbonate, these headlights are built to withstand the elements. They are designed to resist yellowing and clouding, ensuring long-lasting clarity. This package includes a complete pair of headlights, one for the left and one for the right side of your vehicle. Everything you need for a full replacement is right here. Enjoy a straightforward installation process with these direct bolt-on replacements. While professional installation is recommended, they require minimal to no modifications for a perfect fit. Drive with confidence knowing these headlights meet SAE and DOT standards. They are approved for road use, ensuring safety and compliance. We stand by our product with a 30-day refund policy and a 90-day exchange policy. Your complete satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Featuring stylish halo LED and projector headlights, this option offers a modern look and improved light projection. It's DOT and SAE approved for road legality. If you're looking to give your vehicle a significant aesthetic upgrade with enhanced lighting performance and compliance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The headlights fit perfectly and were easy to install. The light output is significantly brighter than the old ones, improving visibility at night. They look great and give the Yukon a modern appearance. Number 1. ACANII GMC Yukon Denali XL LED Projector Headlights. Upgrade your 2007 to 2013 GMC Yukon Denali XL with these stylish LED projector headlights from ACANII. They are designed to fit perfectly on the driver and passenger sides. Featuring a smoked lens design, these headlights offer a sleek, modern look. Please note that the smoked lens may obstruct light output, making them ideal for off-road use. These replacements for your stock assemblies ensure full illumination and maximum safety on your adventures. They are designed to provide a clear and bright light. Wiring for the LED and halo features may be required for full functionality. This ensures you get the most out of their advanced lighting capabilities. This package includes the lens and housing for both the driver and passenger side. Please be aware that installation instructions are not provided. Signature may be required upon delivery for your peace of mind. We also offer a 30-day return policy for your convenience. What we like. This option comes with LED halo and a smoked lens for a distinct look, utilizing a projector design. Please note, the smoked lens may obstruct light output and is intended for off-road use. If you desire a unique, aggressive aesthetic for off-road applications and are prepared for potential light output reduction, this is a distinctive choice. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2008 GMC Yukon. Easy to install, plug and play. Great visibility at night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.